In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix data source error in Power BI. If you've ever opened a report and seen that red or yellow warning telling you a data source can't be found, don't worry. This is usually a simple path or connection issue, and it's quick to correct. Start on the Home tab in Power BI Desktop. Click Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. This is where your tables and their connection steps live, and it's the best place to troubleshoot anything related to how your data is brought into the report. In the Queries panel on the left, select the table that shows the data source error. You'll likely see an error banner in the preview area. On the right side, look for the Applied Steps panel. Find the step called Source. That step defines where your data is coming from, whether it's a file on your machine, a shared network folder, or a server connection. Double-click Source to edit it. Now, reconfigure that source step. If your data comes from a file and you recently moved, renamed, or reorganized it, Power BI is still looking for the old path. Click Browse, navigate through your folders, and point it to the file's new location. Make sure the file type and structure are the same as before, because the query expects the same columns and formats it originally used. If your data comes from a server, like a SQL database or a web service, update the server name, database, or connection details as needed. This might be the case if your organization changed servers, updated a DNS alias, or you switched environments. Reconnecting with the correct details tells Power BI exactly where to look next. Once you confirm the new location or connection, Power Query will attempt to reach the source and refresh the preview. If the path or connection is correct, the error should clear and you'll see your data again. If the error persists, double-check that the file still exists, that you have access to the folder or server, and that the data structure hasn't changed since the original setup. And that's all. Most data source errors happen because a file was moved or a connection changed. So simply editing the source step and pointing it to the right place fixes the issue. For smoother workflows in the future, try to keep source files in a stable folder that won't be renamed, and coordinate any server changes with your team so connection details stay consistent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your report back on track quickly.